All right, I wanted to show y'all something real quick that I think is very important if you want to garden organically. Now, this is one of my apple trees, and obviously this summer has not been very good to it. We've gotten some, the deer have picked at it, the Japanese beetles have gone kind of crazy, but what you're going to see is a lot of aphids in my area, okay? Aphids love eating apples. Now, you could overreact and spray these things down to get rid of the aphids, or you could let nature do what nature does. And the prime example is these. You see the aphids right there? Now that's an issue, but look at that. Please focus. See that? That is a ladybug larva. Okay? So the ladybug larvae are doing me the favor. Ladybugs laid eggs hatched, and the larvae have now hatched, and they are voraciously eating all of the aphids for me. So instead of having to spray to get rid of the aphids, all I have to do is just let nature do its thing. And this is a prime example of it. So if you could take anything away from this video, it's that. Please, don't spray if you don't have to. Look at what happens when you let nature go. So if you see these little black bugs with an orange or red stripe on the back, don't kill them. They're ladybug larvae, and they're good for you. They're helping you out. Cool? I'll catch y'all later.